Oh my.
Witness Charles McMillian, overcome, watching police body cam video of Floyd's arrest, hearing his pleas.
Can you just explain sort of what you're feeling in this moment?
I feel helpless.
McMillian was on the scene the whole time last May. Earlier, he testified he was urging Floyd to cooperate with police.
I was telling Mr. Floyd, Mr. Floyd, just ply with him, get on in the car because you can't win.
Also today, new video not public before showing George Floyd inside Cup Foods where he went to buy cigarettes. Cashier Christopher Martin talked to him.
Asked him if he played baseball. He went on to respond to that, but it kind of took him a little long to get to what he was trying to say, so it would appear that he was high.
Floyd fumbled in his pockets for bills and paid for cigarettes with an alleged fake 20. The store manager sent the cashier out twice to try to get Floyd and a friend back in the store.
He was just kind of shaking his head and putting his hands in the air, like kind of like, why is this happening to me? Like, I don't want this to happen, sort of thing.
When that failed, Cup Foods called in police. Later, seeing Floyd pinned to the ground by police, Martin testified how he felt.
Disbelief and guilt.
Okay. Why guilt?
If I would have just not taken the bill, this could have been avoided.
Outside Cup Foods is now a shrine, George Floyd Square, filled with mementos, murals, and painful memories relived this week inside that court.
The jury will see the tape. It will be as obvious to them as it was to the eyes of the world.
Marcia Howard, one of the activists here since last May, says people are relieved the trial has finally begun.
There's a cautious hope, but it's America, and we know that power cedes nothing willingly. So the status quo will try very hard to maintain itself.
So, Susan, where is the prosecution going next with this case?
Yeah, well, all this video, multiple hours, the juries on day 3 have already seen, body cam surveillance, bystander videos, prosecutors wanting to get it on the record early before the controversial evidence to come about medical evidence, how George Floyd died.
So very clearly, we've seen the emotion in the witnesses, but clearly the jury has to be feeling it too, right?
Indeed. One jury signaled to the judge suddenly this morning saying she felt ill and said she hadn't been sleeping very well at all. The judge asked her stress-related, and she said, yes, already, Adrienne.
All right, senior correspondent Susan Ormiston in Minneapolis tonight. Thank you, Susan.